Video. In this video, we'll show you how to use a gallery grid in Titan Web. So for gallery grid, go to plus, go over to media, and then this is your gallery grid. If you drag it over, what essentially this means is we want to pull images directly from Salesforce directly into a gallery grid. Okay, so you could have multiple records with multiple images, and you just want to pull them across. This is the easiest way to do it. You go into your source. I'm going to choose opportunity. We'll bring up to 20 records, but I'm only going to bring back 2 just to keep it simple. And I'm going to say discount equals 5%. You can put whatever you like there, it doesn't matter. And then here you can bring back your original image URL, which is within my opportunity. This is it here. And you can store any kind of image in there. And then the thumbnail, you can choose thumbnail image. And then caption, if you want to add caption, you can do that as well. I'm not going to bother with caption, I'll leave it as it is. Click apply, click save, let's publish this. And as you can see, the 2 images have been pulled across. And if I click on each one of them, you can see this is their main original image that we're pulling across here directly into this one here. So really awesome functionality. You can click on it and then see like an overview of a product in depth. So in terms of when the product's there, you see like the minimal version of it. When you click on it, you see like the bigger version of that gallery grid. And same over here, just like that. So that's the gallery grid configuration. Let me show you some of the stuff in there. Here's where you edit your mapping. If you want to show the lightbox thumbnail, check. If not, don't show. You can again set conditions directly. Here's your Salesforce. You can bring them back in animation also. So you can set it back like that, and then it will work in animation. This is where you configure your metadata as well. And yeah, that's how you do it.